I saw this awesome post by Tony and Levels.io, Peter Levels, and I just want to say something real quick. I do dumb shit all the time, and the best engineers I know are doing dumb shit all the time. And this was really hard for me because when I first started out, I remember looking at people who would post things like this, and I thought that they were just idiots. I'm like, don't you know you need scalable architecture? You need to follow best practices. You need to do all these things. But I'm going to use a little bit of a weird analogy here. I used to race autocross, and if you're not familiar with autocross, it's a bunch of guys and girls get together in a parking lot with cars, and they set up cones, and there's classes, and they modify their cars, and they basically run through the cones as quickly as they can and post times. Everyone who won autocross, they were always old. They wore big, stupid hats. There used to be a joke that the fastest times came from the biggest hats. They always drove shitbox rusty Civics, and they would just completely smoke everybody else at autocross. And I think that it's true that you need to have a lot of innate skill to do things that look stupid to most people and smoke the competition. And I've noticed that as people get more and more senior, they start to do dumber and dumber things, and they're just killing it. So anyway, there's just some random thoughts for you for Friday night.